Hello to all students. Today we are starting biology chapter 25, Accessory system of human, and today's topic is introduction of excretion. Once again, today we are starting by class 12th biology chapter 25, Accessory system of human, and today's topic is introduction of excretion. So topic is introduction of excretion. Students, excretion is a biotic process. It means excretion complete in living organism. And next, in human, in everyday, different types of metabolic activities completed. During metabolic activities, form some useful material, useful substance like glucose, and forms or produce some waste material like CO2, urine, sweat, and some nitrogenous waste like urea, ammonia, and uric acid. Students, main nitrogenous waste of human is urea, but in tiny amount ammonia and uric acid are produced. First of all, different types of waste materials are produced in the metabolic activities in the body like CO2, sweat, and nitrogenous waste. Once again, CO2 and sweat. Next is nitrogenous waste like urea, ammonia, and uric acid. Next is waste material are not only unnecessary but are also harmful. Once again, waste materials are unnecessary but are also harmful. Next is excretion. So definition of excretion is to excrete out the nitrogenous waste materials from the body is known as excretion. Once again, to excrete out nitrogenous waste material from the body is known as excretion. Next is excretory organ and excretory system. First of all, definition of excretory organ. The organ which help in the excretion of waste materials are called excretory organ. Excretory organs. Once again, the organ which help in the excretion of waste material like ammonia, urea, uric acid, CO2, sweat and other waste product is called excretory organs. Next is excretory organs together make the excretory system. Excretory system. It means excretory organs together binded and to make a specific system, it is called excretory system. Next topic is elimination of nitrogenous waste product. Once again, elimination of nitrogenous waste products. First is ammonia. Students, it is a nitrogenous waste product. It is a toxic or it is a more toxic nitrogenous waste product. Next, ammonia is produced due to decomposition. It means decomposition of amino acids and protein. Once again, ammonia is produced due to decomposition. It means degradation. It means break of amino acid and proteins. Next is it is very much soluble in water. It means ammonia is very much soluble in water. Next is ammoniotelic. animal. Students, in the nature, classified to animals, classified to organism on different bases. Today's base is excretion. In the nature, all animals to classify on the basis of excretion, mostly three types: a monotelic, ureotelic and uricotelic. First is a monotelic. Those animals in which nitrogenous waste are excreted in the form of ammonia are called a monotelic. Like examples: aquatic arthropods, phylum Protozoa animals, phylum Porifera animals, freshwater fishes, phylum Mollusca organism, phylum Annelida organism. Next is urea. Urea is less harmful than ammonia. Once again, urea, it is a nitrogenous waste. Next, students, urea is harmful substance, harmful nitrogenous waste, but less harmful than ammonia. Next, urea is soluble in water. Next is ureotelic animal. Ureotelic animal, those animals in which nitrogenous wastes are excreted in the form of, if ammonia, so monotelic; if urea, are called ureotelic animal. Once again, those animals in which nitrogenous waste excreted in the form of urea, it is called ureotelic animal. Third is uric acid. First, it is a nitrogenous waste. Next is uric acid is less poisonous or less harmful and is nearly insoluble in water. Next is so it can be stored. Once again, it can be stored for more time in the body because uric acid is less poisonous due to its being less poisonous. Once again, poisonous. Next is uricotelic animal. Students, epoxide urea, ureotelic, epoxide ammonia, ammonotelic, epoxide uric acid, so uricotelic. Those animals in which nitrogenous waste are excreted in the form of uric acid are called uricotelic animals. Students, ureotelic, those animals in which nitrogenous waste excreted in the form of urea are called ureotelic animals. For example, mammals like human. Next is reptiles. Next is amphibian. Next is amphibians, some annelids, bony fishes. But example of uricotelic is first is desert mammal only, like camel and llama. They are desert mammals. Next, insect like cockroach. Third is reptiles. Once again, example of uricotelic is desert mammals like camel and llama. Next, insect, reptiles, and next, avies. It means all birds, all snakes, all lizards, all insect, and only desert mammals like camel and llama. So students, today's topic is introduction of excretion. Students, in this topic we studied metabolic activities, harmful substance, their examples, excretion and definition of excretion, definition of excretory organ and excretory system. Next is nitrogenous product and elimination of nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, uric acid, and some organisms some animals like ammonotelic, ureotelic and uricotelic. So thanks, have a nice day.